Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are jumping into the premium Boxycharm box for the month of September. We're going to do a full unboxing, review, and demo of a bunch of products all coming out of this month's premium box. Now if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, my boxes came really early, so all of them are going to be filmed before the month even really starts, so I don't know the order which they're going to come up. So I'm going to link up above the ones that are already up, or you can check the description box, and make sure you're subscribed so you can come back in the next day or so to get whatever boxes I haven't uploaded yet. Anyway, I'm not going to waste too much time on a long-winded intro. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is the premium box, and to address all the people who ask why my box is blue, it's not, it's black. I just flipped the box inside out. That way when I have all of my boxes laid out in front of me on the bed, it says Luxe, it says Premium, and then the red one is the base box, because when you look on the outside and they're all black, it's kind of hard to tell sometimes, because I've gotten premium boxes that were like this big before, and I've gotten base boxes that were pretty large. So the size doesn't really give it away. That's why I flip my boxes inside out, so that when I'm doing an unboxing, I can just see what it is. Anyway, out of the premium box, first thing we have is the theme card. This is Boxycharm Behind the Scenes. I mean, it looks like the behind the scenes of a photo shoot. I don't really understand how that theme kind of fits into anything, really, but we will see. For the theme number, or the variation number in the bottom right corner, C2109226. C is for the premium box. 21-2021-09 is November. I can't speak. September. And then 226, which means that this is variation 226. So we already have over 200 different variations, which, you know, the higher the number of the variation, the more disappointed I usually am. I like smaller variations. I really do miss when the Boxycharm boxes were these really curated. We all got kind of the same thing, except, you know, maybe the shade on the lipstick would be different across all the boxes, but we all got a lipstick from the same brand. Those were the kind of things that I really miss, and I like that curated box. So already going into this box a little disappointed because there's 226 variations, but anyway, we're going to jump into the first item. This is from Bloom Effects. This is the Tulip Dew Mist. I already did a full review of this in a spoiler video. I love this brand. It's one of my favorite skincare lines. It is clean, it is vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it is all sustainable, coming out of Dutch tulips from the Netherlands. Anyway, a multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's designed to work as a humectant to prevent moisture loss, plus it is formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology, perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as an awakening skin pick-me-up. Retails for $34. I do like it. The mist is a nice, fine mist. So just giving it a quick mist over the face. There's no, like, artificial fragrance in here. It does have a little bit of a scent to it, but again, this is using Dutch tulip, so it's going to be a little floral, but it's not perfumey floral. And, and you'll notice how it just gave this really nice moisturized glow to the skin. I did moisturize my skin this morning, but a nice hydrating pick-me-up is never a bad thing. And you know I love Bloom Effects. I just threw that on the floor. You know I love Bloom Effects. I love the ingredients. I love the brand story. So obviously I was very happy to see it in my box. Now the next item was one that I was actually a little disappointed when I opened up my box and saw. This is from Complex Culture. It is the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Now I do already have this and I love it. It is a great product. The reason I was disappointed is Complex Culture is Ipsy's brand. And this came in the Ipsy X a couple months ago. The reason that upsets me or disappoints me, I don't know what word to use, is I hope that this is not a sign for the future that we're going to be getting a ton of Ipsy leftovers in Boxycharm. I know that's something a lot of people were curious about or concerned with. This is a great product. So for any Boxycharm subscriber who doesn't get Ipsy, I think you're going to be happy with it. It came in my Ipsy X Khloe Kardashian. So it's a really great product. But I'm hoping that it's like only the really good end up in Boxycharm, and we're not just going to get Ipsy leftovers. Anyway, this is a sonic vibrating facial massager. Retails for $58. This sonic-powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and tone facial contours. Give yourself a daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt the skin, rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. What I love about this is you just twist the bottom and it starts buzzing, and then you hold the skin tight and you just use this to gently massage the skin. What this is going to do is it's going to break down any pockets of moisture under the skin. I did do this on camera already because I like to do this before I film. But by doing that, it helps to relieve some of the puffiness in the skin. It'll break down any of those moisture pockets, and it'll just help everything to feel and look tighter and smoother. It's one of those things where you will see an instantly lifted effect when you use it, but the more you use it, the more long-term those benefits will be. So it is an amazing product. I've been using mine for months. I probably had it for about 6 months now. It is a top drawer of my skincare routine kind of product, so it is always right in front of me. Again, I'm just hoping that Ipsy isn't just going to put all of the old Ipsy products into Boxycharm. The next product out of the box is the Verb Ghost Oil. Now, I'm going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway because I don't love this product. So this is a retail value of $18. This weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from root to end. Powered by moringa oil, this blend works to hydrate and fight frizz, proven to enhance shine by 75%. I've used this in the past. It's more of a dry oil, so it doesn't leave your hair greasy, but it does give you shine. Personally, I don't love that. Even when I do like my more natural days, this is not curled. This is just my hair curly. Normally, I would then like flip it and pin it so that it looks really neat and clean. And I posted on Instagram the other day, and everyone was like, let your hair be wild and embrace the curls. So I'm trying to embrace my curls again. So this is what my hair normally does. I do have a hair serum that I really like from Fanola. I use leave-ins, I use gels, but I don't love hair oils on their own, so I am going to be passing on this. The next product I'm also going to be passing on, this is from Bite Beauty. It is the Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Infused with a passion flower, this ultra-pigmented, super precise liquid eyeliner lets you line the way you want without worrying about smudging, transferring, or flaking. Plus, the dip format gives you solid jet black color payoff in a clean vegan formula that applies effortlessly and doesn't fade. Retails for $25. This is a very similar applicator. It's the Twist Off Gel Applicator to the Marc Jacobs liner we got a few months ago and the Huda Beauty liner. I'm going to open it so I can show you the packaging, but I'm not going to unscrew the product. Once I unscrew the product, it is then open, and then I can't give it away. So I'm keeping that sealed so that I can give it to somebody who might actually get some use out of it. You know how I feel about liquid liners. They're just not products I typically use. Next up is a product from Tarte. This is the Sea Glotion Skin Perfector. Get a lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector inspired by the magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives you a natural glow into the skin with a micronized pearl that reflects light to blur imperfections. 4-in-1 Complexion Perfector works to prime and extend the wear of makeup, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten. Retails for $32. I am going to pop this on. Originally, I wasn't going to because I was going for like, no makeup today because this is a predominantly skincare box. But this is one of the products based on, I like glow, but I don't like grease. So this is something I'm actually a little interested to try. So I'm going to take a small amount. It does have a little bit of a tint to it. So I'm hoping that that is like an even tint that's not going to stay as a tint. So it definitely does everything it says it does. I feel like I have a nice little bit of glow to the skin. I feel like I did get some blurring of my imperfections. This does have dimethicone in it, which I don't love dimethicone in skincare products. I don't mind it in makeup. So I'm not going to treat this as a skincare product. I'm going to treat this as like a glowy primer, and I like it. Even with nothing else, I think it did perfect the skin. I'm getting that like glass skin glowy effect. Just for funsies, I'm going to take a little bit more of the mist from Bloom Effects on top, just to add even more glow and hydration. And I think that's very pretty, especially for that like no makeup kind of day. I really like the way that looks. So this is something I'm going to have to put to the test under foundation to see if that glow really shines through. But just with the way I would use it, I would probably pop this on as like a daily, put on my SPF, let it sink in, and then throw a little bit of this just to perfect so I can skip the makeup when I'm leaving. And the last item out of the box comes from Bare Minerals. This is the Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. Clean vegan lipstick with a rich, creamy, full coverage color and lightweight, nourishing hydration with just 19 ingredients, including cold-pressed sea buckthorn fruit oil, olive oil extract, and antioxidant-rich pomegranate and jojoba oils. It smooths and conditions lips while reducing the look of lip lines, texture, and dryness in just 1 week, based on clinical and consumer studies. Retails for $20. Now, this is in the shade Integrity, and I'm just making sure there's no allergens in here. All right, we are good with any allergen ingredients. Now, obviously, I'm not wearing makeup today, so this is not going to be a color that I'm going to wear with nothing on my face. But there's a little bit of sweating on the lip, not the end of the world. I have used Bare Minerals lipsticks in the past, and I haven't been a huge fan of them. I am going to put this on, but then I'm going to take it off because obviously I have no makeup on, but let's see how it feels. If you know, you know, this is like my go-to fall color. It's like that burgundy red shade. So I definitely agree with the one swipe pigmentation. I also agree that it's very comfortable on the lips. This might be a different formula than the Bare Minerals lipsticks I've used in the past because I don't remember loving them. But this feels really nice and something I would definitely rock, especially in the fall. Definitely a fan. All right, I'm going to go take off the lipstick and calculate the total of the box, and I'll be right back for final thoughts. So all in, the premium box costs $35 to purchase every single month, and this box has a retail value of $187. Now, when I like to decide if a box is worth it, in my opinion, I typically look at the combination of products and say, would I have been better off taking $35 and going to Ulta or going to Sephora or going now to Kohl's for a Sephora there, or going to Target for an Ulta there? Anyway, would I be better off taking $35 and going to the store and buying it there, or getting this? And I'm going to say, with a $34 price point on the Tulip Mist, the Boxycharm box already takes it. I do love the T-Bar. Again, I was a little disappointed when I saw it because I personally already have it, but because I have Ipsy, that doesn't mean it's a bad product. So if you don't have Ipsy, you're probably going to love this. If you do have Ipsy, you might already own it, in which case it makes a great gift. That being said, I also really like how perfected my skin looks with the Tarte. Like, I expected to, I was originally not even going to try it on. I was going to say, yeah, not really my type of product, and move on. But once I saw that it perfected and it had a little tint to it, I was really excited to put it on, and I think my skin looks really great today. This is no makeup. This is just this and my skincare, so I'm very happy with that. Definitely got my money's worth out of the box. It was PR, so I didn't actually spend the money, but you know what I mean. I got $35 or more out of this box, and based on the 4 products that I tried, and definitely over $100 in value right here alone, and the 2 items that I didn't like, which was the liner that I just don't use liners, and the Ghost Oil, those are 2 of the least expensive items in the box. So definitely a great box in my opinion, even though I was definitely disappointed when I first opened it up. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, make sure to check out my channel so you can see my base and luxe unboxings. I don't know the order these videos are going up, so they might be up already, they might be coming, but make sure to subscribe to check that out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!